Students, here I am going to make a whiteboard Microsoft for explaining direct and indirect practice questions. Here I have given you 4 questions, isn't it? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. First one, we come to know that Mary says, I am hungry. So Mary says, comma, open quotation, and I am hungry. So you find that this is in a direct speech form. Okay, direct speech form, and you could find that it is a point. The sentence is in assertive form. That means statement form. So you will get the clue. This sentence is in statement. Next one, Deep complains, my brother is a nuisance. So here also you find he is complaining, is telling something about his brother. So here also we find that this is also in direct speech and also conveys to the listeners that it is a statement. Okay. And third sentence, Indu tells her son, wash your hands. Here also you find that this is a direct speech form, but this is not in a statement way. Here you find the Indu is telling her son, means the mother is telling her son, ordered her son, wash your hands. So this comes under the category command and request. Okay, command and request. And the fourth one, we come to know that the policeman asks him, what is your name? So here you find this is in direct speech form, but here the policeman asks him, what is your name? So you find this is in the category question form. So statement means we have to use the connecting word that. Okay, we have to use the connecting word that. Command and request means we have to use the connecting word to, and question means we have to be alert, because here the question is in WH form, what. So we have to use a connector what as a connecting word. Okay, now first of all we have to find out the speaker. Who is the speaker in the first sentence? Mary. Okay, next we are going to find out the reporting verb. What is the reporting verb here? Says. Okay, and then they have given comma and quotation that will be changed, and we will use the word connecting word that for that. Okay, then I am hungry. I am hungry. This will be changed. I represents Mary, so it will change into she. Am converted into the present form because say is in present form. Okay, so we will use is, and hungry will appear as it is hungry. So the answer may be Mary says that she is hungry. Okay, for the second sentence, who is the speaker? Deep. Deep is the speaker. What is the reporting verb here? Complaints. So you find the complaints is in present form. Okay, present tense form. Yes, present tense form. And here you find it is a statement. So the connecting word comma and inverted comma will be changed, and we will use the connecting word that. Okay. And my brother here represents the brother of Deep, but means his brother. So we will change my brother into his brother is a nuisance. Okay. Then third sentence. So what may be the answer for the second one? Deep complains that his brother is a nuisance. Okay. Then third one. Indu tells her son. So the speaker here is the Indu, the mother. She tells. Tells here means again it appeared in the present form, present tense. Okay. And to whom she is talking to? Her son. Okay. So Indu tells her son. Now we are going to remove the comma and inverted comma. So we will use the command and request will be In the category we find the connecting word is to. So we are using here to. And what is the order given by her? What she tells her son? To wash. Your will be changed into your will be changed into his, because your represents her son, so it changed into his hands. Okay, so what may be the answer? Indu tells her son to wash his hands. Fourth one, who is the speaker here? The policeman, isn't it? The policeman. And what about the reporting verb is asks. Here also you find this is also in present tense. Okay, this is also in present tense. And he is asking somebody, him, isn't it? He is asking somebody. And here you find the sentence, what is your name? That means question format. So we find that question format have two type of connectors. One is WH format and the other verbal question. Verbal question means yes or no type. If it is yes or no type, then we will use the connector as if, yeah, whether. Okay, if, yeah, whether we will use. But here we have got a WH question, so we will use the WH question as a connector. Okay, so here I am going to use what as it is a connector here. That means what. So policeman asks him what, and is your is the verb here. So your will come first. So your will be changed into the somebody here, him. So we will change the answer what his. Okay, what his name is, because asks is in present form, so we are using is as it is here. So the all the tense are in present tense, so there is no need of changes in the reporting speech. So the answer appear for the fourth one is the policeman asks him what his name is. Okay, if sometimes if we find the reporting verb is in the form of said. Okay, for example, first one, Mary said. Mary said, if it appears said, then the reporting verb appears in the past form. Okay, so what we will do? We will change the tense in the reporting speech. What may be the answer then? Mary said that she was hungry. Okay, for example, second one, Deep complains that his brother is a nuisance. If Deep complained appear, okay, complained appear, then complained is in past form, so it will change its character in the reported speech. So Deep complained that his brother was a nuisance. Okay, then third one, Indu tells her son. So if it is in the form of told, Indu told. Okay, Indu told comes here, we will say that ordered. Then we will change the form ordered. Indu ordered her son to wash his hands. Okay. The next one, last one, the policeman. So we will write the policeman. If instead of it appeared as asked, then we will use questioned. Okay, we will use the word questioned. Questioned him what his name was. So you find that the reporting verb plays an important role here. If the thing appeared in the form of a past tense, then we have to change in the reporting verb. If it appears in the present tense, okay, then there is no change in the tense that appear in the reporting speech. Okay, but if it is appear in the past form here, then the speech of the verb in the speech will also change according to the reporting verb. I hope you understand this. Yes.